So using the sample that we just grabbed, I'm going to teach you how to use some of the effects that Audacity has. First thing I want to do is make sure that I cut down the end part. So I'm just going to play real quick and I'll show you how to cut. So I can see where the sound changes. I can visually see it. So I'm going to go hover with my cursor and I'm going to silence this using the silence audio selection tool. Play it again. I'm going to get rid of this one little piece here. Just a little bit more. Okay. Silence that. So now I should have a fairly clean sample, but it looks like it ends pretty abruptly, and that's going to be a little jarring on the ear. So let's listen. I was right. It does end pretty abruptly. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to, you see where the second break is? The second break from the one that we had before. But there's a little bit of a change in the sound waves. I have my cursor already set there. And what I'm going to do is shift and grab just about that whole piece. Remembering once again that if you see a horizontal line like you see here, that indicates silence. So I'm just going to grab this here. I'm going to go to Effect, and I'm going to use something called PaulStretch. When I click PaulStretch, it's going to have an automatic stretch factor of 10. I'm going to have to play with that someday, but for now I'm just going to trust that it knows what it's doing and hit OK. And then suddenly it has stretched my sound. So let's see what it did. So that's pretty cool. It still has that fairly abrupt ending, so I'm still learning, but the idea that I can actually stretch this out is a really attractive idea that I can manipulate sound in this way. So that's how you use PaulStretch, and have fun.